So many females gathered together on this cliff inevitably attract the attention of a rival adult male. His aim is to defeat Scarface and take over his females. Scarface spots them. He has everything to lose because if the bachelors defeat him, they won't just take his females. They will kill his babies. Scarface warns them to keep their distance, but the bachelors continue their advance. Scarface grinds his teeth to show he means business. But the bachelor leader reaches the cliff top and grinds his teeth in response. If Scarface loses this battle, he will lose his legacy. Time to strike.